What if a motorhome wasn't designed to blend in, but to dominate everything around it? What if survival, intimidation, and extreme off-road power became the entire design philosophy? Welcome back to Motorhome Hub, and today we're diving into one of the most outrageous and aggressive builds ever put on 6 wheels, the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 camper. Apocalypse Manufacturing is known for building vehicles that look like they rolled straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie set. Massive tires, armored styling, military-inspired details. Nothing subtle, nothing quiet. The Hellfire 6x6 camper takes that DNA and stretches it into a full-blown off-grid survival motorhome. At first glance, the Hellfire looks absolutely insane. A towering stance, ultra-wide body, and 3 axles wrapped in gigantic off-road tires give it a presence that few vehicles on Earth can match. This isn't a camper that politely parks at a campground. It claims territory. The extended 6x6 platform improves traction, load capacity, and stability, making it as capable as it is intimidating. The exterior design is brutally functional. Heavy-duty steel bumpers, reinforced skid plates, side steps, roof-mounted light bars, and exposed hardware all serve a purpose. The front end is aggressive and angular, with high-clearance approach angles designed to smash through rough terrain without hesitation. Every inch of the Hellfire screams durability. Mounted behind the cab is the camper module, a compact but fortified living space built for off-grid survival. Unlike traditional RVs, this camper is designed to handle aggressive driving, steep angles, and constant vibration. The structure is reinforced, sealed, and elevated to match the Hellfire's extreme ride height. Step inside and the tone shifts, but not the attitude. The interior is rugged luxury. Apocalypse blends military-grade toughness with modern comfort. The materials are tough, wipe clean, and built to last, yet the layout remains comfortable and practical. The main living area doubles as a lounge, workspace, and sleeping zone, optimized for long stays in remote locations. Large windows provide visibility while maintaining a secure feel. LED lighting, smart storage solutions, and modular furniture give the space flexibility without clutter. This isn't a hotel suite, it's a command center on wheels. The Hellfire 6x6 camper is designed for people who want to go places others won't even attempt. Whether it's deserts, mountains, flooded roads, or complete wilderness, this vehicle is built to keep moving. Because underneath that brutal exterior sits a powertrain and drivetrain built not for comfort first, but for absolute domination in extreme terrain. At the heart of the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 camper is a monstrous American V8. Apocalypse typically builds on heavy-duty truck platforms, and the Hellfire follows that philosophy with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 producing well over 700 horsepower. Torque delivery is violent and immediate, exactly what you want when pushing massive weight through sand, mud, snow, or steep inclines. Power is sent through a reinforced automatic transmission designed to handle extreme torque loads. From there, it flows into a true 6x6 drivetrain, distributing power across all 3 axles. Unlike gimmick builds, this system is engineered for real traction. Locking differentials, heavy-duty drive shafts, and upgraded axles ensure all 6 wheels stay engaged when conditions turn ugly. The suspension setup is where the Hellfire truly separates itself from normal campers. This beast rides on an independent front suspension paired with a reinforced rear tandem axle system, tuned specifically for off-road abuse. Massive long-travel shocks absorb brutal impacts, while adjustable ride height allows the driver to raise or lower the vehicle depending on terrain. Ground clearance is extreme. Approach, departure, and breakover angles are designed to crawl over obstacles that would instantly strand traditional RVs. Rock crawling, dune climbing, river crossings. The Hellfire doesn't avoid obstacles. It climbs over them. Steering a vehicle this large might sound terrifying, but Apocalypse engineers have tuned the steering ratio and stability systems to keep it manageable. Despite its size, the Hellfire feels controlled at speed and surprisingly confident at low-speed technical crawling. 6-wheel traction dramatically reduces wheel slip, especially on loose surfaces. Fuel capacity is another survival-focused highlight. Oversized fuel tanks extend range far beyond standard campers, making long off-grid journeys possible without constant refueling. Optional auxiliary tanks push that range even further, perfect for desert expeditions or remote mountain routes. Cooling systems are heavily upgraded as well. High-capacity radiators, reinforced cooling lines, and enhanced airflow ensure the engine stays within safe temperatures even under extreme load. This vehicle is built to run hard, not just cruise highways. Braking a monster like this requires serious stopping power. The Hellfire is equipped with oversized ventilated disc brakes, multi-piston calipers, and reinforced brake lines to ensure consistent performance under heavy weight and steep descents. Safety and control remain priorities, even when the terrain gets aggressive. By now, it's clear the 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 camper isn't built for casual road trips or quiet campgrounds. Part 3 is where everything comes together. The interior systems, off-grid tech, ownership reality, and the kind of person this extreme machine is actually made for. Inside the camper module, the Hellfire focuses on function-first luxury. The layout is compact but intelligently designed, maximizing usable space without sacrificing durability. The seating converts into a sleeping area, giving you a comfortable bed after long days in brutal terrain. Storage is built into every surface, with locking compartments designed to stay secure even during aggressive off-road driving. The kitchenette is minimalist but effective. You get an electric or propane cooktop, a compact refrigerator, fresh and gray water tanks, and durable countertops built to handle constant vibration. This setup isn't about gourmet cooking. It's about reliability in remote environments where failure isn't an option. Power management is one of the Hellfire's strongest features. A roof-mounted solar system feeds a high-capacity battery bank, allowing extended off-grid stays without relying on a generator. When solar isn't enough, an onboard generator steps in to power climate control, appliances, and electronics. Multiple 110V and USB outlets are placed throughout the cabin for gear, cameras, and communication equipment. Climate control is fully integrated, with a high-output HVAC system capable of handling extreme heat and cold. Insulation throughout the camper keeps temperatures stable while also reducing noise from the outside world. Even in hostile environments, the interior remains controlled and livable. Safety and security are taken seriously. Reinforced doors, lockable external compartments, and optional armored glass upgrades give peace of mind when traveling in isolated or unpredictable regions. Exterior cameras provide full 360-degree visibility, displayed on an interior screen for monitoring surroundings without stepping outside. Now let's talk ownership, because this isn't a mass-market camper. The 2026 Apocalypse Hellfire 6x6 camper is a low-production, custom-built vehicle. Pricing typically starts around $350,000, with fully optioned builds climbing well beyond $450,000. Depending on power upgrades, interior customization, and off-grid packages. Maintenance costs are high, and so is fuel consumption. This vehicle makes no apologies about that. But buyers aren't here for efficiency. They're here for capability, exclusivity, and presence. This is a machine for extreme overlanders, survivalists, collectors, content creators, and anyone who wants a mobile base that can go places no luxury RV ever could. The biggest strength of the Hellfire 6x6 camper is its honesty. It doesn't pretend to be refined. It doesn't chase mainstream appeal. It exists to push boundaries, both mechanically and visually. On the road, it's intimidating.